Welcome, in front of me is OPPO Reno 14 5G, and in this video I will show you what to do if your battery on your phone drains way too fast. So, in order to fix this issue, you have to go to settings, then enter battery settings. Then in battery settings you can consider using power saving mode instead of balanced mode, which will increase the battery lifetime of your phone. To do that, just select power saving mode and just go with it. It doesn't really decrease your device's performance too much, unless you want to play some rather graphically demanding kind of games on your phone. But generally you can use either balanced or power saving mode, which one you're more comfortable with. And the next thing that you can do is lower the screen brightness, which you can do by going back to settings, selecting display and brightness, and here you can go with either the custom brightness level, that's less than average one, but still the one that you're comfortable that you feel comfortable with, or you can just enable auto brightness by switching this toggle and let your phone decide for yourself. You can also consider using dark mode instead of light one. This will also significantly increase your battery lifespan, but if you don't feel comfortable with the dark mode, you can stay with the light one. Or you can schedule it by switching this toggle and selecting from selecting either sunset to sunrise, which will enable dark mode from sunset to sunrise, or custom and set your personal time preferences of enabling the dark mode and light mode too. And the next thing that you can do is disable the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or GPS when they are not in use. To do that, slide down the control center of your phone and disable, for example, the location when you don't need your phone to use the location. You can also turn off the Bluetooth, as you can see it's already turned off for me. Wi-Fi, but I still need some Wi-Fi right now, and mobile data, of course. These are all pretty power consuming on your phone. Now the next thing that you can do is detect some battery draining issue again in battery menu in your settings. Here you can find the applications that use the most battery on your phone. In my case it's system launcher. When you see the system launcher at the top, that means that you probably barely even touch your device, since the system launcher is using the most resources of your battery. But if you have some games or browsers or maybe some other applications on this list, you can force stop such application by selecting it and selecting force stop. And the next thing that you can do is, of course, keep your device up to date, and to do that, go to settings, then select system and update, then go to software update and check if your device has any updates. Of course, to do that you have to be connected to the internet before. As you can see, for me it's up to date, but if you do have some updates to install on your phone, then take your time, download and install them, and then your phone will restart, and I can guarantee that your phone's battery will last longer after that. And that's basically all the advice that I wanted to share with you in this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.